Once again to iTech, and thank you for choosing this video. Now in today's video I'm going to take you to this VPN, which is going to help you to get unlimited internet every day. Okay, so all what you have to do is to just go to your Play Store if you are Android user, and type this VPN. As you can see, just type this. Yes, this is the word, so you just type it and you will see this option here. So as you can see, I have already downloaded this app. So this is the app that you are going to use it to enjoy unlimited internet. Okay, so after downloading the app, that is what you are going to see. So the app, you see the app on your screen. So this is the app. Okay, so you just have to open it and then you click here. Now on your first time, you just have to load the servers. Okay, so after loading the servers, you'll be able to see a whole lot of servers which can help you to get unlimited internet, and at the same time it can also help you to change your IP address from one location to another location. So these are some of the servers available. You can use any of these servers to change your IP address. So after choosing a server, you just come here and hit on connect. Okay, so after hitting on connect, this service will be activated, and as you can see, it has been activated. And by using this app, you are protected online because your IP address is going to be changed to the server or the location that you have been chosen, and at the same time you can also get unlimited internet.